Are you frustrated with laptops that just can't keep up with your busy lifestyle? Here are the 5 best Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 Copilot Plus PCs I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 AI Power. The 16-inch Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 Copilot Plus PC from Samsung is nothing short of impressive, especially with its AI capabilities and 3K AMOLED touchscreen. Priced at $1,199.99, it's designed for those who crave performance and portability. If you want a powerful yet lightweight solution to enhance your creativity, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Intel Core Ultra 7 processor ensures that you can smoothly juggle tasks, whether you're working on a presentation or streaming your favorite shows. Plus, the 3K AMOLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 makes everything look stunning, perfect for both work and play. You can enjoy up to 25 hours of battery life, which means less time tethered to a charger and more time being productive. Additionally, the inclusion of the S Pen allows for intuitive note-taking and sketching, making it ideal for students and professionals alike. Now, some people complained about the absence of a dedicated graphics card. Here's the thing though, unless you're into high-end gaming or graphic design, the integrated graphics should be more than enough for everyday tasks. It's not a deal breaker for most users who prioritize portability and functionality. This is perfect for you if you're a student or a professional who needs a reliable laptop that won't slow you down. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced gaming features, as it may not meet those specific needs. Considering its features, the price is quite reasonable for what you're getting. Now, if the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360's lack of a dedicated GPU bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Galaxy Book5 360 Business Ready. The 16-inch Galaxy Book5 360 Copilot Plus PC, a business-focused powerhouse. Retailing at $1,881.76, this model comes with a whopping 32 gigabytes of RAM, making it perfect for heavy multitaskers. If you're looking for a laptop that keeps up with your demanding work schedule, this one deserves your attention. The Intel Core Ultra 7 processor is paired with enhanced AI capabilities that allow it to reach up to 47 TOPS, making it incredibly responsive when you need to access files and applications quickly. The multi-control feature lets you manage your phone and other devices right from your laptop, which is a huge time saver. Plus, the Vision Booster technology ensures that your display looks great in any lighting, which is crucial for those long workdays in bright offices. Now, some users noted that the price is a bit steep for a laptop without a dedicated gaming GPU. Here's the thing though, this model is tailored for productivity and business applications, so the trade-off is worth it if you need a reliable tool for work. This is ideal for business professionals or anyone who needs a laptop that can handle extensive tasks without breaking a sweat. Skip this if you're primarily looking for a gaming laptop, as that's not its purpose. But for the performance, the investment is justified. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3. Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 Budget Choice. The 16-inch Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 Copilot Plus PC offers many of the same great features as its siblings, but with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. This is perfect if you're looking for a solid balance between performance and price. If you want a capable laptop without breaking the bank, this might be your best bet. This version still boasts the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, so it can easily handle your everyday tasks. The touchscreen is responsive, and the S Pen allows for seamless note-taking and sketching, making it a great fit for students or remote workers. Plus, the 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling through documents easier on the eyes, which is an unexpected bonus. However, some reviewers pointed out that the 512GB storage might feel limiting after a while, especially if you store a lot of files or media. But here's the thing, you can always use external drives or cloud storage to manage your files, so it's a minor inconvenience that many can work around. This is a great option for anyone who needs a reliable laptop for work or school without spending a fortune. Skip this if you require extensive storage from the get-go. Given the specs, it offers incredible value for the price. Now, if you're looking for protection for these laptops, let's talk about a must-have accessory.
Product number 4, the Smatry Hard EVA Protective Sleeve. The Smatry Hard EVA Protective Sleeve case designed specifically for the Galaxy Book5 series, priced at $55.99. This is a fantastic choice if you're worried about keeping your laptop safe during travel. If you want peace of mind knowing your laptop is protected, this sleeve is worth considering. The sleeve features an anti-shock design and water-resistant materials, so it can withstand the bumps and splashes that might occur during your daily commute. The internal padding is designed to absorb impact, which is crucial for preventing damage. Plus, the built-in stand is a nice touch, allowing for better ergonomics when working on the go. However, some users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky compared to other sleeves. Here's the thing though, that bulk comes from the added protection, which is essential if you're frequently on the move. For most users, that trade-off is worth it. This is perfect for anyone who travels frequently with their laptop needing reliable protection. Skip this if you prefer something ultra slim and lightweight. For the price, it offers solid protection and functionality. And if that sleeve doesn't suit your style, there's another option that might.
Product number 5, Smatry 16-inch Laptop Sleeve. Available for $59.99, this sleeve is tailored for the Galaxy Book4 series and offers professional shock protection with its patented Super Corner technology. If you want a sleek, stylish way to protect your laptop, this could be your ideal pick. This sleeve is not only water-resistant, but also designed to fit your laptop snugly, ensuring it won't move around while you're on the go. The additional accessory pocket is great for keeping your charger and other essentials organized. Plus, it's crafted from durable materials, making it a long-lasting option. However, some may find the price a tad high compared to similar products. But here's the thing, this sleeve is custom-made for Samsung devices, which means you're getting a tailored fit that generic sleeves just can't provide. For those who prioritize quality, it's worth the extra investment. This is perfect for anyone who needs a professional look along with robust protection. Skip this if you're looking for something super casual or basic. Given its features, I think it's a good buy for those wanting to keep their device safe. So there you have it, 5 impressive Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 Copilot Plus PCs and accessories to consider. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 AI Power because it strikes the best balance of performance and portability for everyday needs. Avoid the most expensive option if you're not a heavy user, as it may not justify the price. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.